Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple and effective way to mute a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you're managing a busy group or just need some quiet time, muting chats can help you stay focused without missing important messages. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the Chats section, where all your conversations are listed. Scroll through or search for the specific chat you want to mute. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat, whatever is causing those constant notifications. Next, hover your mouse over the chat you've chosen. Once you've found it, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the Mute option. It's usually easy to spot and designed for quick access. After selecting Mute, a new pop-up will appear, giving you options for how long you'd like to mute the chat. You can choose between 3 durations, 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Pick the one that best suits your needs by clicking on it. And that's it. The chat is now muted. You'll still receive messages from this contact or group, but your device won't vibrate or make any notification sounds. Plus, no badge count will appear for unread messages unless someone mentions you directly. This feature is perfect for silencing distractions while staying connected when it matters most. If you ever want to unmute the chat, simply repeat these steps and select Unmute from the menu. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps efficiently. See you in the next video.